Hello! I wanted to show off a little yarn haul I got from LoveCrafts.com. I got some novelty yarns you might find interesting, like this giant merino wool roving from Tjockt, and I got it in this mint color. It's called Fat and Sassy. And I've been eyeing this yarn for a really long time, but it's so expensive. But LoveCrafts was having a sale and then 30% off on top of sale items. So that made this skein of like 250 grams only like $13. So that was cheap enough for me. First impression is that this is a really high quality wool. It feels luxurious and fancy schmancy. It does not seem to be felted at all. I can tell this bad boy is going to shed, and I'm going to have to be very careful with the kind of projects that I choose to do with this yarn. But I also got this little LKYC London K super chunky yarn from Lion Brand. I have a ton of Bernat Softy Chunky in white just sitting in my stash, so I wanted to pick up a little accent color to maybe finally do something with it. And I like that this yarn comes in little 40-gram skeins. It's hard to find super bulky yarn that comes in such little balls like this, and I think these were like $1 a piece with the sale. This color is called Eyeshadow. And they come in like 20 different colors, so like I said, it's a good way to get a small amount of super bulky yarn if you need that for your project. Admittedly, it's not the softest acrylic I've ever felt, but color's really vibrant and it'll serve my purposes. Let's see what else I got here. And I got some more teal. Oh my gosh, I got so much teal. I was in a teal mood that day. Actually, I got this Premiere Every Day. I thought that it was going to be a little bit bluer, but I'm happy with the color. Obviously, I like this color. It's called Glass, and I've never bought this yarn before, but you can't go wrong with a basic worsted weight acrylic. And I thought this fluorescent blue-green color was pretty unique. I've never tried a specifically anti-pilling yarn, so I look forward to testing that out. It feels really soft and smooth. With the sale and the coupon, these were a little over $2 a piece. And I think that is an excellent price. It definitely feels a little more premium than your average worsted weight acrylic yarn. I also finally got my hands on some of this Bernat Maker Big. It's a cotton tube yarn filled with fiber fill. It's almost exactly like the home decor yarn that I got from Hopium that I did my crocheted poof pattern in, but it's a much thicker gauge. They're 65 yards per ball, which is great for a jumbo weight yarn. With the sale and coupon, these were $8 a piece, which for me is great because I live abroad and sometimes finding American yarns can be a little pricey. And I was actually inspired to pick up some of this yarn by Rustinits over on Instagram. She makes cute tops out of this yarn, and I was skeptical that it would be soft enough to wear, but now that I have it in my hands, I'm surprised by how lightweight it is, and it actually is quite soft, so I'd love to try to make some garments out of this stuff. I also got a couple more Bernat Maker Bigs in this taupey gray color. It's called Smoke. And I got one more skein of Tjockt Fat and Sassy in the colorway Rose. This nice dusty rose pink color. And I thought that it would make a cute combo with the mint, maybe in something a little artsy, a wall hanging perhaps. So there's my little yarn haul. I hope you enjoyed checking out all the yarns that I got. And make sure to look out for those extra % off sale coupons from LoveCrafts.com. It's really a great deal. See you next time. Bye!